I just want to share my story with you about this lens, how it came to my life, what it has taught me about photography, and why I still have it in my camera bag till today. So let's jump right in. Before I got this lens, I had wanted to go for the 35mm, but I couldn't afford the 35mm at the time because it was quite expensive for me as a beginner. So I decided to go for this 30mm f1.4. At the time, everyone was talking about how sharp, fast, and affordable this lens was. Then I was shooting on a crop sensor camera, and at the same time, I was trying to figure out my photography. I was seriously looking for a lens that could elevate my work and take my photography to the next level. When I finally saved up and bought the Sigma 30mm f1.4 art lens, I was so excited because I was buying into a new chapter of my creativity. I was really excited that day, When I got this lens, I was not really conversant with prime lenses. I only had the 50mm f1.8 that came with my camera, as well as the kit lens. This lens is not just a glass. It represents a time in my life when I was still trying to figure out my photography, when I was still hustling, learning, growing, and exploring with different lenses. This lens has taught me a lot. With this lens, I've learned a lot about composition, framing, and shooting in a low light condition. This lens feels very solid and premium. It's a bit heavy, but it's not as heavy as the 24 to 70mm IF-EX DG lens. This lens is suitable for portraits, street, and travel photography. When you're using this lens on a DSLR, consider the crop factor. Like in my case, when I'm using this lens on the Canon 90D, there's a crop factor of 1.6. When you multiply 1.6 by 30, what you'll be getting will be around 48mm instead of 30mm on a DSLR camera. But if it's on a mirrorless camera, what you'll be getting is the exact focal length, which is 30mm. The wide aperture of f1.4 makes this lens great in a low light condition. With this lens, you can get beautiful blurry background that separates your subjects from the background, making your images look very, very professional. I really love the image quality of this lens. You tend to have excellent image quality with this lens. You can as well get sharp images throughout all the frame with this lens. You can get vibrant and accurate colors on all your images. The Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens is a prime lens, which means it has a fixed focal range of 30mm. It's not a zoom lens. The autofocus of this lens is very fast. Honestly, I must say this lens is a workhorse. Let me know in the comments if you have used this lens and what are your experiences. And if you enjoy content like this, feel free to subscribe for more. This video was shot with the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens when I went for a retreat. I paired it with a Canon R8. These are more videos shot with this lens. Let me know your thoughts about these videos. The Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens is quite affordable compared to other name brands like Canon and Nikon. In conclusion, I would say with this lens you can get professional looking images without breaking the bank. This lens is versatile, great in low light, and affordable, making it a great choice for anyone who is looking out to elevate their photography. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one.